Hello students, I am Mrs. Supriya Chilveri, teacher at Deccan Education Society's Ferguson College, Pune. I teach vocational electronics subject code is C2. Today, I am going to teach you chapter number 1 of paper 2, that is number system, codes and binary arithmetic. In that, we have seen binary number system and codes in the last lecture. Today we are going to continue with the remaining part of the chapter. So let us begin with the PPT presentation. ABCD code, extended binary coded decimal interchange code, is an 8-bit character encoding used mainly on IBM mainframe and IBM mid-range computer operating systems. It is an 8-bit code allowing a maximum of 256 characters to be used for representation. It is an improvement over ASCII. ABCD in full extended binary coded decimal interchange code data encoding system developed by IBM that uses a unique 8-bit binary code for each number and alphabetic character as well as punctuation marks and accented letters and non-alphabetic character code. Let us see some examples. The 8-bit ABCD code, first 11000001. This ABCD code, 8-bit ABCD code corresponding to a character A. Second example, 11110000. This 8-bit ABCD code correspond to number 0. Third example, 01001110. This 8-bit ABCD code represents plus sign. Fourth, that is 01111110. This 8-bit ABCD code corresponding to a sign equals to. So let us start with the new topic, that is binary arithmetic. Arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done on binary numbers. Binary addition. So there are some set of rules of binary addition. Add A and B. Here A and B are the binary variables. When we put 0 or 1 for the addition of these two variables, we'll get some addition or some result. So let us see one by one. See, as here two variables we have. So let us solve these two binary bits by addition. Let us solve A and B for addition. See, first 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to, sum is 0, carry is 1. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1, see this extra 1 here, it is carry from the last column bit. Okay. So when we add these three bits, 1 plus 1 plus 1, then sum is 1 and carry is 1. The binary addition proceeds column by the column when the result is 1 0 or 1 1. 1 is carried over and added to the next column on the left side. So let us solve for the binary addition. Let us solve some example for binary addition. First, here we have number as 1010, first binary 4-bit group. Second number is 1011. These two numbers we are going to add by the binary rule of addition. So let us start from the LSB. So here 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 plus 0 is, means its sum is 1. And 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. So in this fashion, we are going to add two 4-bit numbers. Let us solve next example. Here first binary bits combinations are 1 1 1 1 0. This is first binary number. Next, second number is 1, binary number of course, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. We are going to add these two binary numbers. So again, let us start from the LSB. 0 plus 1, these two numbers addition is 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1, and it is carried over and added to the next column here. So 1 plus 1 plus 0, their addition will be again 0 and carry is 1, carried over to the next column, okay. And that 1 plus 1 plus 0, again sum is 0, carry is 1. So in the last column, that is MSB column, here we have carry 1 plus 1 plus 1, sum is 1 and carry is 1. So in this fashion we are going to add these binary numbers. Now let us see third example. 1 1 1 1 1 0. Second binary number it is 1 1 1 1 1. So these two numbers we are going to add. So again let us start with the LSB. First bit is 0 plus 1, addition is 1. Next 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1, sum is 1, carry again it is carried over to the next column. 1 plus 1 plus 1, again sum is 1, carry it is carried over to the next column. So again 1 plus 1 plus 1, sum is 1 and we get carry as 1 to the next column. So addition of these two binary bits or numbers will get answer as 1 1 1 1 0 1. So in this fashion we are going to add two binary numbers or two group of binary bits. Next is binary subtraction. Rules of binary subtraction. Sub A and B, we are going to subtract A from B, or we can subtract B from A in any of the fashion, but here we are going to subtract A and B. Okay, so 0 minus 0, by putting A as 0, B as 0, so 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. First subtraction rule. A as 1 and B as 0, when we subtract these two bits we get subtraction as 1. 1 minus 1, that is equals to a 0. Subtraction is 0. Here the 1 0 minus 1, subtraction is 1, and the fifth one, that is 0 minus 1, difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Now let us see some examples on binary subtraction by using rules of binary subtraction. Here is first example. For that we have two binary numbers. First is 1 0 1 1. This number we are going to subtract with the next number, that is 1 0 0 1. So let us start with the LSB first. So here 1 minus 1, subtraction is 0. 1 minus 0, subtraction is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So in this fashion we are going to subtract the two binary numbers. Next example, here we have first number, binary number, that is 1 0 1 1 1. Next is 1 0 0 1 1. So these two group of bits we are going to subtract. So let us start with again LSB. 1 minus 1, subtraction is 0. 1 minus 1, subtraction is 0. 1 minus 0, subtraction is 1. 0 minus 0, subtraction is 0. 1 minus 1, its subtraction is 0. So the third example, if you carefully see this number, in the third example we have two numbers again, 1 0 0 0 1, and the next number is 1 1 1 0 1. So for this example, that is in the third example, subtract smaller magnitude from the larger magnitude and prefix the sign of the larger magnitude. Okay, so by subtracting second number from first number, then by or giving the sign of larger one, then we'll get answer here as minus 0 1 1 0 0. Actually we are going to subtract the smaller number from larger number and we are going to give the sign of larger numbers magnitude. Okay, so the new topic, that is ones complement and twos complement of binary number. The ones complement of binary number is the number obtained when we change each 0 to a 1 and each 1 to 0. For example, ones complement of 1010 is 0101 and that of 0000 is 1111. Okay, the twos complement of binary number is the number obtained when we add 1 to the ones complement number. Okay, so therefore twos complement is equals to ones complement plus 1. For example, twos complement of 1101 is 0010 plus 1. So twos complement of 1101 will be 0011. Okay, so in this fashion we can find out the ones complement and twos complement of any binary number. So here is a chart. First column it is binary number, second is ones complement and third is twos complement. So binary number, first binary number, that is 0010, its one complement is 1101 and the same binary numbers ones complement is 1101 plus 1. Actually this 1101 is the ones complement of this binary number. To that we are going to add plus 1, then we'll get the twos complement of the binary number 0010 as 1110. Okay, next binary number is 1000. Its corresponding ones complement number is 0111 and its corresponding twos complement number is 1000. Okay, next 1111 binary number, the ones complement number of that is 0000. When we add that ones complement number 1, then we'll get twos complement number as 0000 plus 1 is equals to 0001. Okay, so this 0001 is the twos complement of corresponding binary number of 1111. Okay, the use of ones complement and twos complement of a binary number is popular in digital computers for binary subtraction. The advantage is a reduction in the hardware. Remember this, students. Instead of having adder and subtractor circuits only, adders can be used for addition as well as subtraction. So let us start the new topic, that is binary subtraction by ones complement method. Add ones complement of the number to be subtracted to the first number. Whenever there is a carry 1 in the last position, remove it and add it to the remainder. This is called end around carry, that is EAC. Whenever there is an EAC, that is end around carry, the answer is positive and it is in binary form. But when there is no end around carry, the answer is negative and it is in the ones complement form. So let us solve some example based on this topic, that is binary subtraction by ones complement method. So first we will see the subtraction by direct method, that is by direct method of binary subtraction. Okay, so here we have two group of binary numbers. First number is 1011, second number is 1001. These two number we are going to subtract. Okay, so 1 minus 1, its subtraction is 0. 0 minus 1, result is 1. 0 minus 0, result is 0. 1 minus 1, the result of subtraction is 0. Okay, now let us see how to subtract these two numbers using ones complement method. So for that, as we have seen in the earlier slide that first number 1011, the second number is 1001. We are going to take ones complement of this number. So we have ones complement of this number as 0110. Now this second number, it is a ones complement of number 1001. Okay, so this second number we are going to add to the first number. So first number is 1011. Okay, so now we are going to add these two numbers. Okay, so 1 plus 0 addition is 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 addition or its result is sum is 0 and carry is 1. So that carry, it is carried over to the next column here. So 1 plus 0 plus 1, again sum is 0 here and carry, it is carried over to the next column. So 1 plus 0, again addition is 0 or sum is 0 and we have carry. So this carry we call as a end around carry. Okay, so this carry we are going to add to the remaining bits of the result, that is 1000. So 1000 to this number, to this result, we are going to add this end around carry. Okay, as carry it is present. So the answer is 0010. That is, when we add this one least significant bit to 1, that end around carry, that is 1 plus 1, sum is 0. Here carry is 1 to the next column. So that carry here we have written as 1. So 1 plus 0, sum is 1, and so remaining bits they are as it is, as there is no any bits. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. So answer is 0010. So this answer, it is by ones complement method, subtraction by ones complement method. This answer and by the answer of direct method, it is same. So here by this method we can subtract two binary numbers. Next example, here we have first number as binary number 1101. From that we are going to subtract the number, second number as 1110. So let us subtract. So first we are going to again start with the LSB. 1 minus 1, subtraction is 0. 0 minus 1. So here what we are going to do, we are going to take borrow, okay, from the next column. So here 1 0 minus 1 is subtraction is 1. So again here this 1 will be 0. So 0 minus 1. Here we get 1 0 minus 1 is 1, and here 0 minus 0 is 0. So this is the subtraction of two binary numbers. Okay. The same example we are going to solve by the ones complement method. Okay. So again the first number here 1101. The second number is 1000. Actually it is the ones complement of second number, that is 0111. Okay. So we are going to add these two binary numbers. So let us start with the LSB. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. 1 plus 1, that is here the sum is 0 and carry is 1. Again, as here we have a carry that end around carry, so the remaining bits, that is 0 1 0 1, to that we are going to add this end around carry. So let us see that addition. 0 1 0 1, to that we are going to add this end around carry. Okay, so the least significant bit, that is 1 plus 1 is 0, that sum is 0 and carry is 1, and it means that carry it is, we are going to carry it over to the next column, and that 1 plus 0 is 1, and the remaining bit 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. So here we have answer as 0110. So this is the answer by ones complement method. Okay, so this number and this number, that is direct method binary subtraction method, and by ones complement method we get same result. Third example, here we have two group of binary numbers. First number is 1001, second number is 1011. So let us solve this example. Again start with the LSB. 1 minus 1, its subtraction is 0. 0 minus 1, its subtraction is 1. 0 minus 0, its subtraction is 0. 1 minus 1, its subtraction is 0. Okay, this example it is by direct method of binary subtraction. Okay, let us solve the same example with the help of ones complement method. So here we have first number as 1001, second number that is 1011, its ones complement number, it is going to add to the first number. Okay, so the ones complement of 1011 is 0100. Now let us add these two binary group of numbers. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Here we have result 1101. Note students, as in this example the last carry is absent, so answer is negative and in ones complement form. Ones complement of the result, that is 1101, is 0010, and we are going to express that answer in the negative sign. Okay, so minus 0010. So this is answer by ones complement method, subtraction by ones complement method, and by direct method we have the same result with the same sign. That is, here also result, whatever the result we get, that is in the minus sign. Binary subtraction by 2's complement method. Add 2's complement of the number to the subtracted or subtrahend to the first number, that is minus. Cross out the final carry. Remaining number is the answer of subtraction. Whenever there is a last carry is 1, the answer is positive and it is in binary form. But when there is no carry, the answer is negative and it is in the 2's complement form. Example, first 1101 is the first binary number, group of 4 bit. Next is 1010. This is the second group of 4 bit binary number. So we are subtracting these two numbers, binary group of binary numbers. So let us start again with the LSB. 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So this subtraction it is by direct method. Okay, so answer is 0011. Let us solve the same example with 2's complement method. The first number is 1101 and the second number, that is 1010, that number's 2's complement is 0110. So let us add these two binary numbers. So first we are going to start with the LSB. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. So it is carried over to the next column, and that 1 plus 1 plus 0, here we have again addition as, means its sum as 0 here, and carry is 1. So we are going to discard that carry. Okay, so whatever the remaining bits are there, that is the answer 0011. So this answer 0011, it is same as that by the direct method subtraction. Okay, next example is 1011. To that number we are going to subtract the number 0101. Okay, so let us start with the LSB. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1 by borrowing 1. Here subtraction or difference is 1, and again here from 0 minus 0 the subtraction is 0. Now let us solve the same example with the 2's complement method. Here first number 1 0 1 1. The second number's 2's complement we are going to take. The second number, that is 0 1 0 1. Its 2's complement number is 1 0 1 1. In the 2's complement method, the first number, that is 1 0 1 1, we are going to add with the second number's 1's complement, that is 1 0 1 1. So let us add. 1 plus 1 is, sum is 0, carries 1 to the next column. That 1 plus 1 plus 1, sum is 1, carries 1, and that carried over to this next column. So 1 plus 0 plus 0, sum is 1, okay, and 1 plus 1, the sum is 0 and carry is 1. So we are going to discard this carry. So whatever the number, remaining number is there, binary bits are there, that is the final answer, that is 0 1 1 0. The answer whatever we getting here, it is same as that of the direct method subtraction. Let us see the third example. Here we have 1 0 1 0 first number and second number is 1 1 0 1. We are going to subtract these two numbers by direct method. So result is 0 0 1 1 and answer it is in negative. Okay. So by 2's complement method, here first number is 1 0 1 0. 0 0 1 1 is the 2's complement of second number. So when we add these two numbers, then result is 1 1 0 1. As there is no any carry in this addition, so the answer is negative and it is in the 2's complement form. So 2's complement form of 1 1 0 1, the result 1 1 0 1 is 0 0 1 1. Okay. So this is the final answer and the answer it is in negative as there is no carry. Carry is absent in the MS bit. So the answer is minus 0 0 1 1 and it is same answer as that of the direct method, that is 0 0 1 1 in negative. Let us see the next topic, that is signed binary numbers. To indicate the sign of the number, an additional bit is used as the sign bit and it is placed as the most significant bit. A 0 is used to represent a positive number and a 1 is to represent a negative number. For example, an 8-bit signed number is 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 represents a positive number and its magnitude is 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. So this binary number, it is equivalent to a decimal of plus 73, of course. The signed binary number, that is 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 represents a negative number with magnitude of that number as 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 and that corresponds to 73 decimal number. This kind of representation is called as a signed magnitude representation. But in 1's complement representation, when 1's complement of a binary number is obtained, if one of these number is positive, then the other number will be negative with the same magnitude and vice versa. For example, 0 1 0 0 represents in decimal as plus 4 and 1 0 1 1 represents minus 4 in 1's complement representation. Similarly, in 2's complement representation, 2's complement of 0 1 1 0 is 1 0 1 0. Here 0 1 1 0 represents plus 6 in decimal and 1 0 1 0 represents minus 6 in decimal and in 2's complement representation. This completes the chapter number 1 of paper 2. Thank you.